Hi guys, it's Rocky again. Welcome to another video. So I was trying to get more regular again with videos towards the end of the year, but well, that hasn't really happened. It's December. Things are crazy as you can imagine. I started a new job 3 weeks ago. I was in the office, now we're back at home again, so yeah, you can imagine this. So I have bought a few things on the eBays. I said I wasn't going to, but I did. This one is still sealed, as you can see. I'm probably just going to do separate videos and just upload them. Yeah. So this is I don't know if I'm going to put in the title what this is, but just open this up. This has been sitting for a week or two. There's my main dirty desk and all its junk. So this is a random lot of Amiga discs. The guy was selling boxes and boxes of them, so I put a bid in and I won it. I didn't see the postage at the time, which was $9.99, which I thought was too expensive, and then I've just looked at the label on this. He sent it Royal Mail signed for, which came to $9.99 because the box is 3.1 kilograms. If he'd sent that via courier, it would have been significantly cheaper. But hey ho. So somebody else's dirt, lovely. I've got enough of my own. Oh yes, this is the I'm trying to think of best how to film this. So I didn't. I do like this box. This plastic I thought maybe metal, but right. There's discs. Let's just bring out the chunk and we'll just start going through it. Oh, I've just seen something that I really want to talk about, but hey ho. Amos data disc, hopefully AF Amiga format. I don't know if Amos came with Amiga format at some point. Quarterback, is that accounting software? It's the program disk. Backup and archival for the Amiga system. Obviously, I don't know if this is correct, so digital. So I can zoom these in now here. So hardware installation, Great Valley products. Oh, that's that accelerator installation. People probably want that. Can do power steering for me here. CU Amiga number 78. I was never really a CU Amiga guy back in the day, but hey, I was an Amiga format man. Amiga power. I had to look at that there. I'm getting. Yeah. Another CU Amiga. What's on? Oh, Frontier Elite 2. One of my favourite games. Oh, stunning. Brilliant. Here we go. It's number 64, so that puts that, when is the theme park? That's what, 90. So, I don't know, 94 maybe? Ish. Maybe even later. Wonder Dog, another CU Amiga. I definitely remember this very well because I played the crap out of that demo. Number 49, Stardust. Oh yes. I had a really almost complete set of Amiga formats at one time and I gave them all away. I sold the discs for next to nothing and I gave the magazines away when I was still at high school. What an idiot. I've got about 3 or 4 that I bought back over the years. Amiga Computing, that's more. Another Amiga Computing. Oh, number 60 Demo Maniac. Now, I can't remember when your memory gets. There we go, Amiga Computing, July of '94. So, yeah. Let's just speed this up a bit. Amiga Magazine. Oh, Super Street Fighter 2. Another Ultimate Backup tool. I'll have that. Amiga Action. Bump and Burn. Banshee's good. Oh, see you. Movie Settler. Pro Calculator. Okay. A lot of cover discs here. Amiga Action. Amiga Magazine. Shadow Fighter. To be honest, this is what I wanted. I wanted a pile of cover discs. I didn't need any more backup games, you know. Oh, Detroit. I love Detroit. You basically, it's like Civ Auto Firm, or like Theme Park, but for car manufacturing. Yeah. Bubba Sticks, I do like Bubba Sticks. Quarterback, that's a great game. Amiga Disks. That was like October '94. July '94. Oh God, oh Christ almighty. Amiga Action. Again, by that point, not 500. Oh, naked. Now, I'm almost 100% certain that is the cover disc from Amiga format, which is January of '93. Almost 100% certain. It is. I'm 100% certain because I got my Amiga 600 Christmas Day, Christmas Day 92. One of the first things I got was Amiga format, issue number 42. This was the cover discs and a little white book making the most of your Amiga in 1993. I played the crap out of this demo, and I, a few weeks ago, just bought. Oh, that's behind me falling. I just bought back Amiga format number issue 42. Here we go. Welcome home. I'm going to talk about this in another video. Yeah. Yes. Perfect. What have we got here? Interword, Uridium 2, and the awesome see-through green disc. I formatted over this and put the World of Commodore 92 demo in this originally. There's a blue and a red one as well. That's cool. Valhalla, there's a lot of sound in there. Amiga Action, Merry Christmas. Christmas '94. Christmas '94. Then would have been, well, Commodore had already gone by then, and then came back, and then was, yeah. So what we got here? See You Amiga, Apocalypse, Elf Mania, yeah. Oh, I remember like sort of the fractal stuff. Shoot 'em up construction kit. Oh my god. More See Amiga. Worms. I wonder what that is. That's such a good game. There's Valhalla. Disc 78A. Now that's after I stopped buying it. There's, oh, 70A as well. Word, Christ, I had a big box version of that. Oh, I had this one though, because I remember playing with that. That looked cool. I can never make anything that good, but that was a cool program. Utilities, Bubble and Squeak, Optimed, I know what people used. Oh yes, it's here. I'm happy now. Gloom Deluxe Worms custom levels. This must have been way later. Oh, is that 96? Jesus. Yeah. I was well into PC land by then. No 22 mega RAM, it still would run like crap. For the Amiga format. I'm so happy. I've got it complete because I have my original white book in the loft. Recognise. Goals supported by Adidas. Amiga format 80A. 80, geez, that were in years. It's fascinating because even though the Amiga has such a big impact on my life, I really only originally owned one from Christmas 92 up through. I got a 486DX PC late 94. No, at some point during 95 because I had Windows 95 on it. Yeah, so it's not. Oh, there's a see-through. Oh, that's cool. Dragonstone. The Clue. SR3. Valhalla. Sierra Soccer. Tactical Manager. You know, back when magazines used to give you great stuff. Now, 1912. What was on that? Super Disc 41. Full games. That would probably be later. Utilities. Bump. Oh, we got that. Simon the Sorcerer. Great game. Mortal Kombat. Worms. I think I had this. Movies. Some of these are duplicated, obviously. Oh, that's a nice disc. Nice. January of 96. Still from what bench requires 1.3 or above. Jesus, if you're still running 1.2 in 96, whoa. No. Clarissa. Syndicate, which is brilliant. Sequencer. Yeah, that must have been after I stopped buying Amiga format. Amiga Computing. CAD Design. Turrican 3 and Settlers. Settlers is still good. Virtual Karting and XCAD Design. So, I think I paid £10 for the box, plus another £10 for delivery, so about 20 quid. Did I need them? No. Did I want them? Yes. And I'm really happy that the mostly all cover discs. To me, that's way more valuable than, as I said, any dodgy copied games or original games, really, to be honest. Yes, that's good. I'm gonna, maybe in the new year, I'll set up another. I don't know, I've been playing with different ideas about what to do with my Amigas and stuff. Currently, I don't have my Amiga 1200 set up anymore behind me. That's now in the loft, where the room got reorganised a while back, and wasn't enough room to keep it set up. So I've been using the Mister, and I've been using Pi Amiga, and obviously my PC. And I know we can get an interface now to make the floppy drive work. So yeah, so there we go, guys. That's what I paid £20 for. Nice box. Yeah, cool. Tell me what you think. Did I waste my money? Was it a good buy? Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.